airborne troops. The K-4386 4x4 is an MREP type vehicle that is designed for combat operations of airborne or air assault units in all conditions and environments, and can serve as basis for creating protected airdropped vehicles for combat support units. The vehicle has a carrying armored hull, which, having increased rigidity and strength, allows the vehicle to be airdropped safely using a parachute system. It is the only MREP type vehicle in the world capable of being airdropped. The total weight of the vehicle is 15 tons and the crew is 7 people. A 350 horsepower multi-fuel diesel engine, together with a 9-speed manual transmission and independent suspension, gives the MREP an ability to easily overcome various obstacles and move at high speeds, both on the highway and on rough terrain. Maximum speed is 100 km per hour. The vehicle is capable of negotiating various obstacles, including forcing fordings of up to 1.5 meters deep without preparation. The combined protection of the armored hull provides protection against small arms, shell fragments and explosive devices. The vehicle is equipped with energy-absorbing seats for the crew and troopers, and together with the V-shaped hull and other technical solutions, help withstand mine blasts as powerful as 6 kg of TNT. The K-4386 armored vehicle is equipped with a combat remote control module with a 30mm automatic gun and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, which is capable of detecting and hitting various types of targets from hulls and on the move, day and night, in any weather conditions, any season, no matter what. The Typhoon VDV is going to demonstrate its fire capabilities of a 30mm remote control gun against targets at a distance of 1,500 meters. The maximum range is up to 4,000 meters, while the aimed range of the HEF rounds is 2,000 meters. The gun is stabilized in 2 planes, which ensures high fire accuracy, especially on the move. You can get more detailed information about the Typhoon VDV at the static display of Rossavaran Expert at the Patriot Park Exhibition Center, or at the pavilion of its OEM joint stock company Remdesir. There are displayed other vehicles of the Typhoon K family. So now, let's get ready for fire.
Boom! شدار كيف دا البلوط؟
هي الطيفون.
قالك السيبلة على 1700 متر. صح. وش على وش تيرا؟ تيرا على امتيال بي. تخلطت. ريكوشات ها؟
لا ماشي ريكوشن، زي ريكوشن. قلبك ودي يخبط معاهم.
طايحة 57 ملم هذا 57 ملم. لا طلعت تحمس.
While the Typhoons are within the range, another type of material intended for airborne units is emerging on the right side, and these are the BMD-4M airborne assault vehicles. The BMD-4M AAVs are designed to equip airborne units in order to increase their maneuverability and fire capabilities. The vehicle can be operated together with other types of armored weapons and equipment, day and night, any season, in any climatic and weather conditions. The BMD-4M is an airborne, tracked, combat, and also amphibious vehicle which can be airdropped or air-landed, even with the crew inside the vehicle. The combat weight of the BMD-4M is 14 tons. Maximum speed of the highway reaches 70 kilometers per hour. Fuel endurance is 500 kilometers. The combat vehicle is capable of overcoming water obstacles without preparation afloat at a speed of up to 10 kilometers per hour. It can fire while in water with all types of weapons. The main armament of the BMD-4M includes a 100mm gun and missile launcher, a 30mm automatic gun, and a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun of the PKTM type. The commander and gunner of the BMD-4M have equal opportunities for target reconnaissance and fire delivery. The commander is capable of firing all weapon systems, both day and night, except for a guided missile, which is still the responsibility solely of the gunner. The optics installed on the BMD-4M airborne assault vehicle ensures effective fire in all weather conditions during nighttime in dusty and smoky atmosphere, amid active optical interference and against heat flares that the enemy can use. The improved rangefinder channel of the main gunner's sight is incorporated into a single unit with a sighting channel and significantly increases efficiency of ground and air targets engagement. Automated digital all-day jamming-resistant fire control system provides automatic target tracking and firing from close firing positions. The transmission is hydromechanical, 4-speed, with power takeoff for water jets that provide movement in water, and the pump drive of the hydraulic system of the vehicle. The BMD-4M AAVs are ready to fire. First, they are going to launch guided rounds, namely 3 UBK-23-3 against a tank-type target out to a distance of 4,000 meters. The maximum range of guided missiles is 5,500 meters.
راح يطيروا صاروخ.
الزبراء قاعد يتكلم معه.
فيستريل او تقدر تشوف القاذفة رايحة جابها والله جابها.
There was smoky. Now this is an HEF round of 100mm caliber against the target as far as 1,500 meters. HEF rounds can be sent out to 7,000 meters with a firing rate of up to 10 rounds per minute. Now the AAVs are moving and
ميسيل بروح لا؟
بدا بالميسيل الاول خلاص.
لا هذا كله ميسيل.
قال ميسيل 4 كيلومتر. ربي
احساس كي داير
Right, while the powerful being the 4M, I was actually got awestruck with the performance of the 30mm gun they have. But now, on the right side, the well-known armored personnel carriers of the Russian production are coming, and these are the BTR-82A and the latest modification of the BTR family of Russian APCs, the BTR-82AT. And this is its first appearance in a demo show of this kind. They have been in service all over the world. Russian BTRs are in service in over 30 countries on different continents in various geographic and climatic conditions. In the Army, in Marine Corps, and they have been widely employed in many peacekeeping missions. The BTR-82A is a combat wheeled amphibious vehicle designed to transport motorized rifle units and provide fire support to them on the battlefield. The troopers can also deliver fire from the vehicle using portholes. The BTR-82A armored personnel carrier is a product of a deep modernization of the BTR-80A APC, boasting improved performance and operational characteristics. The combat weight is 16 tons, crew is 10 people. The firepower of the armored personnel carrier has been increased by installing a unified combat module with a combined day-night sight, electric drives and a digital two-plane weapon stabilizer. The effective range of the HEF round is 3,600 meters. The rate of fire is at least 300 rounds per minute. The combat effectiveness of the BTR-82A is double that of the BTR-80. The level of protection has been enhanced through use of anti-splinter liners made of aramid materials in the interior of the body, as well as through installation of an improved multiple-use fire extinguishing system. The BTR-82As are also outfitted with smoke screen lane system that significantly helps lower visibility of the vehicle. The inhabited compartment has been improved and now includes an autonomous heater, air conditioner and diesel generator, making the APC more convenient and comfortable for the crew and troopers. Installation of a more powerful engine that yields 300 horsepower, new transmission and suspension elements made it possible to increase average speed over rough terrain, ride smoothness, reliability of the chassis as a whole, and increase the overall life of the vehicle. The amphibious qualities of the armored personnel carrier have retained at the same level despite all the improvements. The maximum speed is at least 80 km per hour, fuel endurance is 700 km. While it can move in water as fast as 9 km per hour. The BTR-82AT, as we said before, is the latest modification of the family, and it is its first appearance on a demo show